Irregular verb. A verb describes an action or state of being. So with irregular verbs, the simple past tense and past participle are not formed by adding ed or d. Irregular verbs have different past forms, so they don't follow a rule. Now, I will go through the most common irregular verbs. To start off with, we have base form, simple past and past participle. Awake, awoke, awoken. Be, was, were, been. Become, became, become. Begin, begun, begun. Bite, bit, bitten. Blow, blew, blown. Break, broke, broken. Bring, brought, brought. Build, built, built. Buy, bought, bought. Catch, caught, caught. Choose, chose, chosen. Come, came, come. Deal, dealt, dealt. Do, did, done. Drink, drank, drunk. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Feed, fed, fed. Feel, felt, felt. Find, found, found. Fit, fit or fitted. Flee, fled, fled. Fly, flew, flown. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Forgive, forgave, forgiven. Freeze, froze, frozen. Get, got, gotten. Give, gave, given. Go, went, gone. Hang, hung, hung. Hear, heard, heard. Hide, hid, hidden. Hold, held, held. Know, knew, known. Lay, laid, laid. Leave, left, left. Lose, lost, lost. Meet, met, met. Pay, paid, paid. Read, read, read. Ring, rang, rung. See, saw, seen. Sell, sold, sold. Send, sent. Sleep, slept, slept. Speak, spoke, spoken. Speed, sped, sped. Spend, spent, spent. Stand, stood, stood. Steal, stole, stolen. Take, took, taken. Teach, taught, taught. Tell, told, told. Think, thought, thought. Throw, threw, thrown. Understand, understood, understood. Wake, woke, woken. Wear, wore, worn. Win, won, won.